slow enough?
Yeah. Oh, was it off?
A little bit slow response. Damn it. It does. Alright, the objective for each team. They have a bomb, which is an ammo crate. You take the ammo crate, put it at the front door of the enemy's base, and run. It's going to blow for 5 seconds. Got it? Nice.
And what if I pick it up and throw it at them as it explodes? Do they die?
Don't throw it at people. Why not? It's a metal box. Yeah.
What if we shoot the bomb?
Nothing happens. It's bulletproof. So it's C4. Yeah.
50 calories.
I don't want to ruin it, but alright. Alright guys, listen up. This is how the spawn system works. When you die, you must raise your gun and wait for a med to get you. Alright? Yeah, like that. Just raise your gun. If the people keep hitting you after you're hit, you can move like a little behind cover and just yell at them, hey, I'm hitting you. So on. Yeah.
As I was saying in this video.
Alright guys, but here's the trick. You can have one respawn. You have medic and respawn. Infinite amount of times you can be medic, but one respawn. Let's say you got shot out in the middle of nowhere and the enemy's all around you. If no one can come with medic you within 2 minutes, you can respawn one time. Got it? Only once. That's mine too.
I haven't broke it. If
Two
you break
COs.
it.
Who wants to be leader? 1, 2.
Oh.
Alright. You get first pick.
Got my glasses.
I think everybody's medic.
Speakers.
Yeah.
Speakers.
Biggest group. You pick a group too.
Come group. Come group.
Groupies.
No. No. I'll take my 2. And I'll take you.
We're all a group.
Alright, pick 2.
GoPro and
Two.
Who else?
yeah.
Multicam, sniper, snow. Oh, okay.
I think I need this for the M60.
Okay, that means you get 3.
Alright.
You get 3. Okay, this sniper right here.
Oh god, we're going to sniper. We're going to
I'll take checkers.
sniper in the open.
Alright. Pick 1.
Dude, the guy in the black.
Oh, okay.
Yay, I'm not the only guy with the G36.
No, I want the lumberjack.
Alright, which side do you guys
Go
want?
ahead.
You want kill house or meat grinder?
Which guys do you want? Gosh.
Alright, you got the kill house. See that green box right at the front door? Go get it. That's your bomb. Remember, you have 2 medics, 30-second time, and 1 respawn.
Yeah.
So the bombs are both going to be in the same spot?
Your microphone working?
I won the match actually before I
Okay.
I took out 2 people, grabbed the blue box, came through.
We got to get our bomb to the meat grinder.
So you got to put your bomb in the kill house. There's something heavy in here.
Yeah, I didn't know if you were
Some electronic?
I just said I was like easy kill done.
Hey, I need that box.
So where's the box go?
Oh,
And this is how we the kill house?
So I
just got this.
you smoke.
2400 round drum kit. I can turn that thing into a speaker box.
Alright guys, go to the meat grinder, alright? From there, you make a strategy to blow up the kill house. All you gotta do is put this at the front door or back door. Yes, man.
Front door, back door of this house?
Oh yeah, I'll just go kill house. See that blue building?
Okay.
Front door or back door of that. At the same time, you're protecting your base.
One shot, 3 kills.
Damn it, I wish we would have got the fucking house,
Pyrotechnic
man.
round.
Meat grinder's hard.
Stands in the
A lot
concrete,
harder to
then it
defend than that.
explodes. That's how a sniper got 3 kills with 1 shot.
Bad attitude.
Oh yeah, the foliage is coming out.
here come the clouds rolling in.
Foliage is opening up.
Hey DJ, play something funky for this one.
Set the mood.
That works.
You should like put that in the meat grinder.
This dude's got an RCP 90.
Set in the mood.
Oh yeah.
I like my M4 pistol.
Which makes me feel like
Alright. I wish I had a sling. Anybody got a sling they're not using? I can sling this bomb to me?
Back at the base.
Hey, who's got a sling they're not using? I'm gonna sling this bomb to my back. That way I can run full speed.
Hold on a second.
Lucian.
I got a belt. Right here.
That'll work. Hold up on me, bro.
Wow, this is heavier than I
Alright, we can't lose, y'all, because this is gonna be on YouTube.
expected.
You gotta get to the chill house, right?
Whoever's got the bomb, if I die, somebody's gotta pick it up. I'm gonna wait, let y'all rush a little bit, and then I'm gonna,
We just gotta pin it down.
That's Nazi. This is Russian.
No, that's Russian too.
Huh?
That's Russian too.
I know.
Alright, does somebody else wanna run the bomb? Any takers? That's probably me.
Ready?
Hey, do we know who medics are?
Everybody's a medic. You can just test it.
Everyone's a medic?
No, he didn't say everybody's medic, did he?
That's how it was last time.
So do we want to designate some medics real quick?
We're all medics. Yeah. Just tag whoever's.
Let my medic catch it down.
Got my grenade.
Alright, who's going woods? Who's going where?
I'm going in the
Us two are
woods.
side flipping woods.
Where are you going? We're going to try and run around and shoot them straight up that way.
Right. I say we need some people to hang back.
I'm always on my own.
Everybody go left but me. Hey, everybody on the team go left but me.
Okay. You stay hit. Yeah, you stay hit in the back. Everybody go. Let's go.
Hold up, everyone.
Everyone go left. We win! Game!
Fucking hey, where were you?